This is the Blini judging contest here at the 5th annual Maslenitsa. And one of the judges, Ken, would you introduce your team here?
Well, let team members introduce themselves. So let's start with the ladies.
Okay.
Laura.
Hi, my name is Laura Verbisky. I'm from the Russian American Cultural Society.
Okay.
Erica.
I'm Erica Musa from the Estonian Garden.
Mikhail Pilat from the Cuyahoga Cossacks.
And Ken Kovacs, member of the board of the Russian Cultural Garden and president of the International Community Council Worldwide Intercultural Network. Thank you, Dan.
And you are judging Blini.
The best blini. We have 10 samples here, and so we've looked at all of them in terms of appearance. Now we're going to go for the taste.
It's a tough job. Somebody's got to do it.
Someone's got to do it.
We'll come
absolutely.
back for the winners. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's me again. It's time. Intrigue. Everyone tasted different blinis. And now it's time to announce whose blinis are the best. So we have how many contestants? 10 contestants. And now I'm giving the microphone to Ken Kovacs, who will announce who the winner is. And I want all the girls who brought the blinis to be around here, if it's possible. Okay, we'll find them. Yeah.
Спасибо, Света. First of all, it was what a grueling job for the judges to have to eat 10 different blini, and but we struggled through the whole process, and I want to thank Erica and Laura and Michael for their kind of sticking in with it. But we're pleased, and all of those blini were very delicious. So there's no doubt it was a very difficult task in finding out and trying to determine which is the best. So we're going to go in order of third place, and our third place winner is number 5. Who is number 5?
Natasha Харитоненко.
Nastasha, пожалуйста.
Natasha Харитоненко with the blini name Taste of Russia. Natasha Харитоненко, come here please. Yes, you're getting a medal. And the basket, Оля. And the basket. The basket courtesy of Ольга Нагтасева. Thank you, Natasha.
And in second place, the silver medal winner is number 2. Luba.
Люба Виткина. Люба, are you here? No? Ay. So she left already, but we will keep and we will give, and she will come back, and then we will give her the silver medal and the basket.
Right.
Okay.
And now for Maslenitsa 2019, for the best blini in Northeast Ohio, to number 6. Who's number 6? Christina.
Oh!
Поздравляю, Christina.
Christina Grigiano. It's her daughter who is accepting the medal. So, her daughter Valeria is.
It's not gonna go away.
It's not for her, it's for her mom. So,
Thank you.
Спасибо.
I'm in the lead. Secret. It's the best secret.
The best